Hey guys, so for today's video, magdodrawing lang tayo kasi puyat ako. Ay hala, oo. Magbibideo lang tayo ngayon kasi, magbibideo. Magdodrawing lang kasi ako naman, parang, di pa ako guys magluto and to do things, pero that's all na. Look at the view at my room tuwing hapon. Like, lagi ko yung nakikita. Diba, ang cute, see? Diba, ang ganda ng view ng room ko, guys. And pabayaan nyo na yung walls. Tinanggal ko yung pintura. And gusto ko magpabago ng pintura. Kaya mami na ng kulay. Like, mga fade silver, ganon. Para hindi siya sobrang puti. Pero may puti na, na dito. Pero, puti na, ano ba tawag yan? Puti na pader. So, ayan. Manonood tayo, guys, ng Ha Sisters. Kasi mahilig ko silang panoorin. So, let's go. Papanoodin natin ngayon is Ha Sisters going to a haunted house. Marami silang pinunta na haunted house. So, wait lang. Kaya, titignan natin kung ano yung magandang panoorin. So, ito, Overnight, napanood ko na rin yan. Napanood ko na yan. Parang lahat napanood ko. Ayoko yung panoorin, natakot ako dyan eh. Ito na lang kaya. Hindi, parang napanood ko na yan. Hindi, ito yun. Ito yun, guys. So, ito yung papanoodin natin. Wait lang. Yung papanood natin, guys. Ayan. Most Haunted Hotel in New York City. Parang napanood ko na to. Hindi ko pa napanood. So, wait lang. Kukunin ko lang yung mga tools na gagamitin natin. Wait lang. So, ito yung mga ating mga tools. Di tayo magko-color. So, ito guys yung ginawa ko. May sinulat ako. 17 yun, pero May 20 na ngayon. May 19, kaya don't get confused. Nasulit ko pa dyan Monday, pero nilagay ko naman dyan. So, ayan, nag-drawing lang ako. Tapos, I tried to improve my writing. Maganda ba? So, ito na yung pang-drawingan natin na page. So, let's go! Nakakangilo yung sana yun. Hindi ko alam kung saan ko pwede ipatong tong aking phone. Hindi ko siya ipapatong. Slay. Kaso lang medyo maliit. Sobrang liit naman yung platform. Slay na sana. Baka matakot din ako kaya samahan niyo ako dito. So, ito, binigay sa amin to ng teacher ko nung year-end party namin. Meron pa tong pink something na kulay puti. Kasi natanggal siya and maingay siya. Kaya, tapos ayan, here's my first letter of my name. M for Maria. So, ayan. Dapat Eden yan. Kasi yung isa ko pang best friend. Eden. May Eden yung first son. So, hindi na natin dyan ilalagay. Kasi pangit. Wait, paghanap pa ako. So, isa pa. So, ayan, sa notebook na lang. Before ako mag-drawing and mag-start ng video, may papakita lang ako sa inyo. So, yung church kasi, lagi namin sinisimbahan, which is St. Francis Xavier Parish. Maganda yung simbahan nila, and they have a Catholic school din. Tapos, nakakonekta yun sa kanilang simbahan. They have 2 buildings for elementary and high school and more. So, ito. Meron silang children's summer camp. 7 to 14 years old siya. And, 4 days lang sa school. Tapos, ito yung tuturo. Singing, dancing, arts and recycling, sports, first aid, and theater. Tama ba? Pagsabi ko. I don't know if kung gusto ko sumali. And yung registration fee is 10 pesos per day. Ayan na yung venue. And then, oras or time. Ayun. And I'm still wondering. Gusto ko ba sumama? Pero parang gusto ko lang. Kaya tinago ko muna yan. So, ito. Guys, actually, wait, lagay lang natin yung video. Habang may ikikwento ko sa inyo, hala, iwi! Yung gamo-gamo, nag-crushing siya dito sa aking table. So, kasi, nung Sunday, which is kahapon, and Monday na ako guys nakapag-video kasi wala, nakalimutan ko na naman nung nung Saturday. And bukas is moving up day namin. Kaya baka i-video ko and then i-edit ko and then ano ko dito. Pero di ako sure. So, we're gonna try to draw a house. Pero hindi ko alam kung saan. Wait, kunin ko yung isa kong cellphone and then ipapakita ko sa inyo. Ba't parang ang hina ng boses ko ngayon? So, papakita ko sa inyo yung last na drawing. Yung drawing ko last time. Wow, journaling. Ito lang siya. Ang pangit. I don't like it. Pero ang cute naman daw. Sabi nila. Ayun ang sinabi nila sa akin. Ayan, naglagay ako ng araw. And may illusion kasi dun sa picture na yun. Kaya, tinry ko gayahin sa Pinterest. Tapos, ito yung kinalabasan. And look at that. Tinry ko mag-junk journaling. This is actually pretty great kasi wala lang ang pang background. Ito, may mga nakalagay lang dyan na important things. Princess Squishmallow ko. Ayan, ginawa ko to. Ito, favorite notebook ko to in the whole world. Ayan, ako nag-decorate niya. Tapos sabi dito, this is an engine's notebook. Para alam nyo naman engine ako. And then, ayan, look. May nilagay ko na pangalan ko. Kasama yun sa pinagladyan ng and then decorate. Gusto ko pala dyan here, and then here. Kasi, it needs more sticker. Wait lang, maglalagay lang ng mga sticker. Wait lang, guys. So, ayan. Kinuha ko na yung cellphone ko. Yung isa ko pong cellphone para sa, yun. I really like watching haunted horror hotel sa wait, maghanap lang ako sa Pinterest and then I'll be back. Wait lang, guys. So, may save kasi ako sa cellphone ko na videos, picture. And then ayun, nilagay ko dito. That didn't take long, pero wait. Wait lang. So, this is the picture I'll be trying to draw. Like, guys, may mosquito. I'm not lagging. Natakot ako. Okay, this is my favorite. So, let's go!
Okay, let's do Pictionary. You against Aqua. Okay, I'm gonna put down like an animal or something, and you have to act it out to the other person, and they have to guess what it is. Okay, so I'm gonna make Evelyn act this out. Gorilla, a ghost, monster. Boy, why are you doing that with your hands? What the fuck? That's the noise. You look like a Minecraft bot. You know? You sound like a mutated, like, gorilla. What makes that noise? A seal? Oh, a whale? Yeah!
Wait, tell what happened.
You walk in a whales don't go like this. I was so confused. You're like, you're so bad.
Wait lang. Okay, I'm back.
Is that Chinese? Like, oh, giraffe. Yeah. See, that was so good. What? 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 Do you know? Do you know what she's doing? She's going to give. I gave her the word. Alright.
Wait lang. Okay. Nainan ako lang. Nasaan? Uy.
What the hell did she do?
OMG. Like that ba? Cute ba? OMG, that's her. Sino nga yun? Si Fred. Ay, hindi. Fred ba yun? Oo. Ah, hindi. OMG!
Did you get scared? Yeah. What did you think? I know, right? The prank was success, guys. That actually scared the fuck out of me. I know. We told Sean to like aggressively.
Ah, Sean.
Guys, my phone's tilted right now. I'm not even joking. Look, it just keeps pressing the picture thing. Do you guys see this? Am I like? I'm like so creeped out right now. What the hell? Guys, this is so creepy. It won't stop. What the hell?
Let's add some
I'm actually
smoke.
so scared right now. Is this not creeping you out? It's still going. It's still going, guys. What's going on with my phone? Oh my god, my phone's doing it again. The phone's doing it again. It's never done this before. No one's touching the clicking thing and it's taking pictures. I go on a different app and see if it'll do something. Go on Instagram. It's doing it again. I've never had this happen to me. Why don't you like try turning off your phone to me? And I did. What I have one. I know, it keeps doing. Do you go to settings and try to prank us? I swear to God, I'm not pranking you guys at all. Sus AF. There's ghosts in here. Yeah, guys, look. Is no one else scared? Okay, Sean just
No.
left.
I'm kind of scared, but
because Sean left,
don't
we're
try to
gonna do
fear.
a tour of this hotel because he was telling
Don't
us how
tour?
creepy it is in the hallways. So let's go. Guys, we're on the way. The hallways are so creepy. Let's see. So this is the hallway. It actually is never ending. It's all an illusion. They're so tiny. I wonder what the maximum capacity is. It's literally like this. It's like got stab marks. Stab marks. Oh my god. Peeking. The lobby is so pretty. Yeah, it is.
Evelyn is like her mom. Oh my gosh. And then Erica and like Emily's different. I saw the video, guys. They look like their mom and dad.
Go fucking first. So low. How the hell is it so dark? How high are we going? This is called a dead body. Okay, should we go back? I really can't tell the difference between sesame chicken and orange chicken. Orange chicken is super sour. My phone was like haunted before. Let me see if it's still haunted right now. Because I'm like scared. I just think the phone. No, it's fine. It's fine now. If it was still not working right now, then that means my phone had an issue. But it was like, no, I think it was because you were taking too many pictures. And then you were taking too many selfies. No, I wasn't even taking pictures.
It's like that, bruh. Am I hungry?
I never knew Tendex. This is so good. What did I do is first get food poisoning? Should I try practicing my own dinner? I was like, I wanted a dog when I was younger. Then became young,
So wait, let's practice my Korean. 안녕하세요. 저는 리입니다. Yay! Ang fluent. Ala, ang OA. Hindi ako fluent.
You talk to mom in English. No, I talk to her in Korean. You're like, oh no, I know. What am I doing? What am I doing? Say the exact phrase in Korean. Like, Oma, ara. It's adult. I just said ara. Oma, ara. Oma, na, ara. Like that. And then, I'm not like doing it. Clearly, you just said ara. I'll name the weeks. The day of the week. Earlier? What's wrong? You know, earlier? What's that? Sunday? Earlier. I mean, 월요일. 월요일 is Monday. 화요일 is Tuesday. 수요일 is Wednesday. You always say like, what did I do? What did I do? I didn't do anything. Say that in Korean. 아무거나 안 했어. That's like the most common Korean word she uses. I don't know why we're asking her to say this. She already says it. She says it in English and Korean to my mom. Alright, let's start talking in Korean right now. Oh my god, no. Why? To see if you're not an idiot. I don't care. Okay, there's so many people who speak Korean. Yeah, but then you're gonna grow up and like not know Korean. It's gonna be so embarrassing. No, it's not. Because this entire generation, some people aren't Korean, they don't know Korean. Exactly. So it's more impressive if you know Korean.
Look at that, yo.
You're gonna be with the like. That's you. You should have heard her in the car telling mom about her story about her roommate. I was stressing out. I was like, oh my god, this bitch needs to shut up. She was like, oh yeah, like that 친구 막 in her notes class, she's like, 어제. And I was like, oh my god.
This is so funny.
Like, our mom isn't like an idiot. She can interpret it in her brain. She was like, I was like on the verge of like screaming at her. I was gonna shut up. I was like, I was twitching. I was like, at least I'm talking in Korean. Okay, well, don't try. Stop trying. At least I'm trying, and you're not, and then you're gonna grow up. At least I'm causing people to start twitching and tweaking in their seat because how stressful it is. Yeah, the minute I wish you were in the car, because she was like, and Mama was like, so, like you'll say the words, but it's like chopped up. You're like,
Hindi nagulat ako sa palda ko. Ang luwi ko kasi.
And what makes it worse was the story she was telling in the car just didn't have like a good ending. Like I was just trying to figure out like what the point of saying the story was. Like, I could not give a shit. I could just tell she was like bored out of her mind. She was like, no, she was interested, bro. No, you were just stupid. You don't understand. I understood what you were saying. It was just so choppy, and there was no point in telling the story that it was like pointless. Like I wanted to shut up. I wanted to like cut my ears off. Yeah,
This is the structure, y'all. This doesn't look fire.
No, it was just like.
Ay!
When I tell someone,
Oh my gosh! Dinner break, guys. Wait a minute. Bye. Everybody, I'm back from eating my food and it was good. It was chicken. And I have a story. Like, iwi yung story ka. Kaya, pasintabi. Basta ganon. Excuse me sa mga kumakain kasi iwi yung story ko. Hindi ko alam kung di kayo maarte like me, pero ito na nga. Wait lang. So, nagpalit ako ng video kasi natapos na yung video na yun. Nasa hot sana na sila. So, ito na nga. Wait lang. Wait, may nakasabi. Dahil sa kaparos. So, ito na nga. Grabe magsalita. So, ito na nga, kasi diba, habang kumakain ako, hindi, tapos, wait lang, diba, dinala ni Daddy yung pagkain ko. Guys, so, pagkadala niya, diba, kumuha agad ako ng piece ng chicken, kasi gutom na din ako ng, like, Pugo Pop yun. Tama ba? Pugo Pop yun? Basta, pero yung food was pa siya sa'yo. Hala! Basta pa, pero, ito na nga, yung story, kakahalak to, hindi ko na masabi-sabi itong sinasabi ko. So, ito na nga, diba nga, kumakain na ako ganyan, di pa ako nakaka-went in sa food ko, tapos nag-dip lang ako ng, diba, sinabi ko sa inyo guys, kapay parang bug something. Yung bug something na yun, nakala ko umalis na siya, langaw ata yun eh. I'm sure na langaw yun, pero, langaw nga. Tapos, gano'n na. Kaya, diba, tapos, habang kumakain ako, nakakadiri. Bigla siyang pumunta sa, parang, diba, baso, ganto, tapos yung parang niya na inuman mo. Pumunta siya doon, tapos, ang ginawa ko, ginanon ko siya ng middle finger ko, tapos, kasi, nandito yung gravy ko, tapos, yung tubig, yung bote, tapos ito na yung plate ko. Tapos, hindi, bigla siyang, napunta siya doon siya tapos edit na ako sila mami. Sabi ko, meron ganon. Tapos sabi nila, tapos, grabe talaga, ganon ako magsalita talaga, guys. Tapos, diba, Tapos ayun na nga, tinawag ko. Tapos sabi nila, ano. Tapos sabi, may napuntang langaw sa anak ko, pagkain ko sa baby ko. Tapos sabi namin, nasaan? Tapos sabi nila, sayang. Sabi niya sa akin, ano na yun, gusto mo yun sa ulam natin na upo? Ayoko yun. Sabi ko, wag na lang, di na lang ako magsasabaw. Sabi ng, gusto mo toyo na may kalamansi. Tapos sabi ko, wag na. Tapos sabi niya, yung upo, meron namang gulay doon. Sabi ko, ano yung sabi mo kanina? Tapos, sabi niya, toyo na may kalamansi. Tapos sabi ko, ayan na lang. Tapos, ayun na lang guys, yung ko. Sinabaw ko. Tapos, so, ayun na nga. So, yun. Hindi ko na kinain yung manok ko. Nilagay ko na lang sa table. And guys, ngayon susunduin yung pinsan ko. Kaya, baka bukas ko na ito ma-upload or may edit kasi manonood pa ako ng K-drama. Si Strong Girl Namsoon, parang yung sabi na parang twin ng Strong Girl Bongsoon. Pero nandun sila, cousin sila. Tapos ni-mention nila na may anak na sila doon, ni Min. Pero, and kung manonood lang ng K-drama, like first time niyo manood, I really recommend watching Happiness. Kasi ang ganda niya. Pero hindi ko yung first K-drama, kasi first K-drama ko alive na movie na K-drama. Basta, maganda yun para for the first time. Panoodin nyo na lang. Pero as in, talaga maganda yun. Like, sobrang nice talaga sobrang nice na. Nandun si Park Hoon-sik. Basta, ayun. Nandun siya. Pero yung pinaka-favorite ko dun, silang dalawa ni Han Honjo. Like, favorite ko talaga sa Han Honjo. Kaya Han Honjo, ayan pala. So, favorite ko talaga kasi si Han Honjo doon. Tapos, kaya pinanood ko talaga yung movie kasi nandun siya. Hindi ko alam kung na-film ko ba yun, pero wala na. Ayan. And then, kung first time ka talaga, Happiness. Zombie siya na K-drama, kaya na interesado talaga ako kasi mahilig ako sa mga zombies na K-drama. Kaya, panoodin nyo na lang. Just rated 1 to 10. Nagbabiral na nyo guys yung Happiness. I really recommend it, lalo na kung nagbabiral siya ngayon. Parang mas magugustuhan ito ng tao pag nagbiral. Tapos, ayun na. Maganda yung storyline nun, guys. Panoorin nyo na lang. Basta nakakakilig na something ata. Hindi ko alam. Hindi naman ako kinilig doon. Talaga. Joke lang. We're doing this like a border. Kakaroon pa dito ng window, wala ng space. Tignan nyo, ganito kalaki yung bahay, tapos ito yung drawing ko. Hindi, malaki yung ganito niya, dapat hanggang dito. Tapos hanggang ganyan, para hanggang dito yung ma-extend. Pero okay na to. Wala na yun na drawing niya. Balak mag-restart. Ayaw mag-restart kasi manonood pa ako ng K-drama. Tapos gagawin ko pa yung night routine ko. Siguro, abang gagawin ko tong night routine ko is papanoorin ko na agad yung K-drama para, matatapos ko na siya kasi nasa episode 7 na ako, episode 8 this night. Sinasabi guys nila mami, tsaka lahat ng mga, tapos yung tita ko na, pag nag-i-story daw ako, parang ako lang daw yung ate ko na pinsan. Guys, wala akong ate na kapatid kasi ako yung oldest. Ako yung ate sa kapatid ko. Ano ba to? Yan. Isabay mo sa kanin ang ihi ng kambing. So, maggagawa na tayo ng shading. Wait lang. Wait guys, secret. Hala. Grabe naman ate. So, i-highlight lang natin and then. Grabe si ate guys. Grabe, secret daw. Magpo-post kita sa YouTube. Sige, kahit di naman talaga ako influencer na something, gano'n, nakilala ng mga tao, ipopost. Joke lang. Okay. Kaklose ko guys, mga ate ko. Like as in mga pinsan ko. So yan, highlight lang natin. Kuha lang tayo ng favorite gray ko. Wait, maganda ba to? Hindi. I'll do it. Ito! Kasi may kalmot siya na ganyan. Di pa gusto. Wait ako. And I can't breathe for once. Disregard the world and run to know what is real. Take a chance with me. Lagyan natin hanggang dyan. Slay. Wait, hanggang dito. Ayan. In the end, we only regret the chances we didn't take. Nanood ka na lang ng video sa YouTube na pa-relax ka ba? I'll be your safety net. Let's put it here. Hindi ko to ito 2 times kaya bala na kayo manood. Hi, wait.
Or 3 happy lambs.
In the window, and it's always no reason worry. Oh, girl, put your records on. Tell me your favorite song. So ito guys, Infinix to. Infinix Hot 30i. Hindi ko alam kung pwede ko yun sabihin dito, pero parang kya. Lah. Ako lang ba ginagawa ko to after mag-drawing ng bahay to look. To make it look cute. Ayan. Nasaan na? Ayan. Ilagay lang natin yung time. Let's see. It's, 7:30 pa talaga. Wow. Grabe. Ilagay lang natin ang aking Korean name. Something lang to lagi kong ginagawa. Ako lang gumawa niya na. Grabe naman. So cute. So that's all for my video. Thank you for watching and put a heart in the comment if you stayed until the end. Bye. Have a blessed night, y'all.